Welcome back, people, to a fresh YouTube video. I hope you're all doing alright. Have we just bought the cheapest ice cream van in the country? Let's have a look. Well, here's what we've bought. Ford Transit, 51 plate, rear wheel drive, ice cream van. It's a 90 brake engine. I think it's an XRAC. I picked this up last night, so me and Luke are going to see if we can get it running right now with the top done. It's got cracking tyres on it. What are you doing, Mr. Whippy?
I'm just flaking that, please, love. Reckon it'll make one day. Someone will do something, won't they?
I would have thought so. Is it too good to scrap?
I think so. It's got. We have someone look at it and they said it has got some
Decent bits in it.
left in it. Chiller, compressor,
Mr. Whippy summit.
Mr. Whippy base. The bit where at the bottom where cogs turn around and stuff. So surely it's got to do something.
Yeah. Well, are we going to get off the truck, Luke? Or we're rolling it off
We'll
first?
get both jump packs going. Look at that there, Neil. Got a cracking. Hang on a nick that.
What is it?
Cracking power inverter. Look at that big boy.
What do you mean you're going to nick it?
Because I'm a thief. When it's parked up, I'm just going to come and steal it. That's a good. I didn't even clock that, did you?
No, I don't know.
Anyway,
I don't even know what I'm looking at.
We'll move your wife's car. We'll put it there.
Well, we'll get it off here. We'll get it started. See if we can get it started.
We better put it there just in case it doesn't start. That makes more sense, doesn't it? Come on, people. Tell her to use his head.
Right. I'll go and get the keys. Yeah. Well, this is the first ice cream van we've ever bought. Well, we've had to come in. Is it a new business? I don't know. I can't see me sat on Townley selling 99s. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Do you reckon it's too good to scrap? I mean, someone's got to do something with it, even for parts. But we're going to try the jump back on it now and see if we can get it running. We've sold that. That's sold, paid for. It's going hopefully today. Still got the Mondeo there, which needs probably going in the bin, and we've got the tip bus still. Apart from that, not many cars left, just a couple up in the yard, which we need to get rid of. But Luke's trying to start this now, but it just keeps bloody clipping.
I think he's going to need try both jump packs on this. We've been twin batteries.
Yeah.
I mean, completely dead. If you just click the start button, it's just clicking. It's not seizing out. It's just clicking.
Rightio. What do you want to do? Do you want to get off the truck first?
It'd be easy to work
and then we can work on it properly.
Get it started.
Yeah, we'll get that sorted then. Well, we'll get off the truck now. Just lifted the bonnet up because, and it's confirmed that it is RAC orange. So XRAC van. These weren't a bad engine to be fair, were they, Luke?
No,
Probably it lasted
any good ones.
but I do think the egg gasket might have gone. That's what the customer said. Let's have a look in the tank. There's no water in it at all. But yeah, Lucas on with sorting the batteries out now to see if we can get it sorted.
Disconnect that power inverter.
But there is a fridge in here and, like I say, a compressor.
Oh, well, it runs off a prop shaft as well, that under that there.
Oh, is that what it is?
That runs from the front.
Oh yeah.
And it runs into the compressor in the
oh right, yeah, it's just
Mr. Whippy unit. That's just a box I've made.
Oh yeah, you can see it in, well, you don't know if you might be able to see it there. Yeah, look, pulley there.
You know what I mean? It's back wheel drive, you see.
Yeah. A bit of rubbish in back which needs
I say
cleaning out.
if it wants clearing out, and that's a pitch, someone's got to do something. Even if someone buys it, strips the roof from it and puts it on another van.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because it's only a short wheelbase transit van. He only wants a roof chopping off. You can get a clean van and put it on. You can have a Mark 7 on it. Same
yeah.
Just
cheap user, money makers what they need.
Even if it does eventually get weighed in, we'll sell bits out of the back of it. At least that's a 6,000 watt power inverter there. I'm going to try and pinch that. You know what I mean?
What for? What do you need that for?
For power something.
You haven't got a camper man.
Yeah, I know, but I can't help myself. That's not going left in anyway.
Unless someone wants to buy it.
Yeah, that's someone buys it. But Really don't want to be leaving it in.
A bit of a pain, weren't they, these putting them batteries under the seats on these?
It's just stop them freezing, weren't it? It's just a pain in the arse when you want them. If I give you this one
big
on the,
bubbly.
this one on the front, Mr. Big Bubbly.
What are you saying, Badge?
If I put that one on there in a minute and you turn it,
We're going there, wait.
and that, no, that's your thingy. That's your live. The earth should be.
They're not the herb, no.
No, that's just for your bonnet.
Ah, right.
Finger. That could be earth. No, that's live, but there should be another thing that's definitely live. But if I put one on the seat one here, being a twin battery van, it might do something. You might just have to turn that on, but you might just have to hold it tight. You know what I mean? So it gets a good.
Yeah. Right,
I'll
we'll have
tell
a see if we can get it on. Be back with you shortly. Well, she started on the button actually. You can see down there, that's something to do with it, that blue thing.
Yeah, it'll run off this PTO pump here, look. And then the front cap will break through the bulkhead. See all that'll tell it.
Would that be, should that be spinning now?
That'll be more likely, but you might be a gear to engage it in time, but it might be spinning.
No, there's nothing spinning yet.
Is it spinning?
No.
Just have a look.
I'm sure there's some buttons, I've seen some buttons somewhere.
Some buttons
No,
here. That's flashing.
has it got a noise on it? A thing on it? Alarm or what?
This has got one of them horns on it, we'll get it up. Triple.
Missed the whippy. Nothing at the back at seats, no?
Yeah, I suppose it'll be in reach of driver, won't it? Because you use them when you're driving, don't you? That's the siren's been nicked.
Probably.
One minute. It's running without that jump back, so it's charged half tank of diesel in it.
It's half a tank of diesel. Right, what are we having off here? £3.50, Luke, we're getting an ice cream man, son. Jesus. I think I'll go for Oreo Knickerbocker Glory, I think.
1 minute.
Hiya, sir.
Yeah, serve pallets. We're flake.
Have you got a screw ball in, pal?
I've got a screw loose.
Yeah.
That helps.
It's the box standard thing, isn't it?
That's the boxes round that.
There your freezer.
That's your freezing there. What's a good clean that, but it's all there. That's the belt and pulley system, which obviously goes to the compressor.
I want a flake. Have you got a flake?
So that's all there. Let's see. Just don't want to break anything.
You feel me alright there?
Yeah, you grab that.
It's not very good with a camera.
Oh, you got to do this. That wants to go. I think they've had to go taking the lot out and got bored, haven't they? There's a bottle of water. That's it. That goes back there. That's up some more buttons. Surely there must be a way that fires up. That's the doorstep. Little sink. We've got nothing here. That's just
Storage.
storage bits of chocolate buttons and stuff. Nothing will be eating them. Pop top.
Pop top, yeah, well, what do you reckon to it, Luke?
I reckon someone will do something with it. Just, if you look here, passes that.
Yeah.
You can see where the van's been chopped down in past. It's an XR80 van, this, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it just clips onto the top. And obviously you've got a fiberglass it inside of your van.
Oh,
but
that's all it is.
that'll come off that. It go up onto a Mark 7 this as well. So if you've got a decent shell to start with and you're good with a bit of fabric.
A multi-tool, I went off it right now, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you multi-tool it from outside, then you do a big fiberglass and fill it. Then you need what's a good paint, doesn't it? Looks a lot worse than what it is. Oh, light works. Must be a siren on it, surely. Anyway, at least it started.
Yeah. Sounds actually alright, but like I said, I do think the head gasket might have gone, but These engines now are 10 a penny, if it went up for 300 quid I would have thought. Good one. They were on export I think as well. I think it's done 140 odd thousand I think.
149, Dean.
149. So all in all, a project for someone. She's not going in the bin anyway. So yeah, let us know in the comments what you think of his latest purchase. Not a bad thing, I don't think. Who knows? We'll hopefully make a profit out of it, that's what we're here for. And that's the main thing. So you enjoyed that little video of the new Mr. Kipling ice cream empire. So yeah, don't forget people, keep commenting, liking and subscribing. Hit the notification bell. Follow Luke on TikTok at Scrap Car Recycling UK. And we'll see you on the next one guys, take care.